This video will give you a brief tutorial on how you can complete a SAP appeal through the myLAPU app. On the Campus Guide section, you'll find a tile labeled Complete Your SAP Appeal. When you click into the tile, you'll be directed to Student Services. If this is your first time logging into a Student Services portlet, select the Login button and then input your LAPU student email address. From here, you'll be directed to the Student Financial Services forms where you can click on the SAP appeal. Once you're in the form, you'll notice a few of the questions have already been answered for you, such as your student ID, your name, your email address, and your success coach. Please make sure you're filling out the rest of the questions. If this form is also an academic dismissal petition, make sure that you're notating whether this is both a SAP appeal and a dismissal or just a SAP appeal. As you're going through the rest of the form, please make sure you're reviewing the content and answering the questions correctly. When you get down to the student letter, be sure that you're articulating why you need to submit the appeal and also what are the changes that you're going to be making in order to be successful as you continue courses at LAPU. Please note that there is a 1,500 character limit for this letter. Make sure that you're being concise when you're articulating your information. You will be required to upload documentation as well to this form. Make sure that you have that. If there is additional documentation that you also have to include, you have options there to include that as well. Once you submit the form, you'll get a pop-up letting you know that the form has been received. And you can also double check in your student email address that you received an email confirmation that the SAP is now under review. If you have any additional questions regarding your appeal, please reach out to your student success coach for more details.